EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marches here with your outlook for the weekend, May 8th and 9th, 2021. Today's video forecast is sponsored by Bozer Brewing Company in Easton, Pennsylvania. Makers of some very fine craft beer, which is right up my alley. They have a couple new releases they just released on their Facebook page yesterday, and they are located at 1250 Simon Boulevard in Easton. Right near Lafayette College, not too far from there. This weekend is going to be not as bad as the apps would make you feel like it's going to be. Now, it is going to be cool, okay? There's no getting around that. And if you read the long-range outlook that I did yesterday, we're going to be with this for through about the middle of the month. We're going to have temperatures below average. Now, it's not going to be always this cool. Matter of fact, this is probably going to be the coolest it's going to be. This is pretty cool here for this time of year, folks. We're supposed to be 70, 72... Not 52 to 58 north to south. That's pretty chilly, okay? You see I have the sun icon on here. A couple little shower rotating through, too. But if you look at the apps, at least if you look at the apps yesterday, the phone apps, and everybody's like, wow, it's total washout on Saturday. It looked like it was a total washout if you look at the apps. I made a big point about this on Twitter. It is not going to be a washout today. It doesn't mean you can't get a shower. You can. This is looking at this morning. We have the same trough that was over our region last night, very slowly pushed through with a few showers overnight. Will be over our far eastern and northeastern areas this morning. And then it's going to push through, and in its place in the afternoon, we're going to have some instability showers. They're going to pop up. These are going to be just pop-up random hit-or-miss type showers. It will also be mostly cloudy, which means in between those showers, you're going to have a little bit of sun breaking out in between that. So it's not going to be, like the apps are saying, cloudy all day and raining all day. It's not going to be doing that. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulator radar. I'm going to start this off at 8 a.m. And you can see where that trough is here this morning, mainly over central northern New Jersey and far northeastern corner of Pennsylvania. This is where the showers are, a continuation of what kind of moved very slowly southwest-northeast overnight. And in its wake, you're going to have cloudy skies this morning. So it will be cloudy this morning. Once you get into the afternoon, you're going to have mostly cloudy skies, especially if you don't have it by mid-afternoon. I think if you might have it before then, but mid-afternoon would probably be the absolute latest you would see at least some brightening of the skies. But in between here, we'll have what's called instability showers. You have an upper-level low that's moving across the southern portions of our area, kind of like this, in this direction. And there will be some pop-up showers with that. And the reason you have that is because this time of year, the sun is able to, when it does come out, heat the ground sufficiently, a lot more sufficiently than it does in say, March or February, right? So you get the ground heating. I know it's not going to get too warm. You're like, what do we mean heat? It's not going to be very warm today, but in the upper levels, it's very cold, well below freezing, in fact. Okay, so the difference in temperature between the two are creating these instability showers. These are convective in nature. I don't think it's warm enough to get lightning out of it, so you're not going to get lightning. But there is a decent amount of instability with these, so they're instability-driven showers. And it could even be some small hail with some of these. Okay, don't be surprised if you see that. All right, because there's very, very cold air aloft with that in association with that upper level low. And that upper level low is the reason why we are stuck in the 50s area-wide today. But you will see peaks of sun in between. Most likely that's going to occur this afternoon. And I can even show you here on the future simulated satellite. You see, these are not 100% here. These are 60-70% cloud cover. Now, it starts off in the morning, cloud cover here. But then you get little breaks here. See that? Especially the later in the day you get today. So you'll have some instability-driven showers rotating through. They're going to be very hit or miss. They are not going to be everywhere. But here it is, right here. You see these showers moving through here? Pop-up showers. These are like 15, 20-minute durations. So think about, like, if you, back to when we have lake effect snow. I know we didn't have a lot this last year. It was mostly big, just organized storms. But when you have lake effect snow streamers coming off the lake here, this is very similar to that. Those lake effect snow squalls that you get will last 15, 20 minutes. It snows like hell, right? Dumps a quick inch and a half, maybe 2 inches, right? Windy when it comes through. That's possible too. But this is in the form of rain now, okay? That's the same thing. But now you might have some pea-sized hail with it as well because of the upper levels being so cold. But this is not a washout, folks. Not at all. And some areas will go through unscathed. Others will get multiple showers. One roll through, and maybe an hour later you get another one, okay? But in between, you'll have some breaks of sun in between these showers too. So Not full sun. Again, it's going to be mostly cloudy, but you're going to have peaks in there, if you know what I mean. Going ahead to Sunday, this, of course, is Mother's Day. And we'll have partly cloudy skies in the morning. It's going to be partly cloudy like overnight tonight, and then you go into tomorrow morning, it's going to be partly cloudy. Clouds are going to increase again. It's going to be kind of like Friday was, right? So increasing clouds. And then as we head toward the afternoon, mid to late afternoon, and then evening, you have these showers moving across the region. This is going to be mainly a central and northern areas deal. Now, southern areas will get into a little bit, but the majority of the precipitation is going to be found in those areas off the north. And I do think this is going to end before dawn on Monday, but we did leave a slight chance for a shower early Monday morning. Otherwise, clouds are going to give way to sun on Monday, too. So if you look at tomorrow, we have these showers in here, but it's not the entire day. And it is a little bit warmer. A little. 58 to 63 is the spread from north to south here on Sunday. Taking a look at the NAM here, what it does for Sunday, it brings these showers in. Again, this is in the afternoon. This is 3 o'clock, so it's bringing showers across our central PA locations. Then getting ready to get into eastern Pennsylvania at this point by late afternoon. Here's the showers that are going into the evening and overnight, but you see it's mainly north of the Mason-Dixon line here, and just right along the Mason-Dixon line, just north of there. It's really not too much, just some isolated showers there, but just more concentrations going to be further to the north. And this is going to go into after midnight, but before dawn, okay? And your total precipitation out of this is looking like this. You got about a quarter inch in our central areas, right around a quarter inch of rain from that on Sunday, again, Sunday and Sunday night. And then you get maybe some of the higher ridges up here get close to a half inch. That's it. That's all you get, all right? So it's not a ton of rain coming, more nuisance stuff. It is going to be chilly this weekend, not the best weekend to be outside, okay? But if you still have things to do, you're not limited by staying in the house with cold, rainy, raw days, and you can't do anything, all right? So getting past this, clouds giving away to sun on Monday. We are partly cloudy on Tuesday. Once we get to Wednesday, we're going to be mostly sunny, and we have a system off to our north that should remain there. Now, the European model is not bringing anything in here at all for Thursday. Nothing, okay? Thursday into Friday morning, there's nothing. GFS, however, is doing something a little bit different, where it has a system off to our south here that's going to bring some showers. This is the same thing the European model showed 12 hours ago, and it no longer has it. It has nothing here Thursday night and Friday. So later in the day here on Thursday, overnight Thursday into Friday morning, there could be some showers associated with this, and we're going to leave that in the forecast for now. If it trends toward the European model, we don't have anything at all. We'll drop it, of course, but right now there's still enough support here with the ensemble members and some of the other models, suggesting that the end of the week next week we'll have, later Thursday night, and at least Friday morning, some showers to contend with. We're going to be below average all next week. We're not going to be this chilly, okay? We're going to be in the 60s, but that's still below average. Like I said, average is generally 70, 72-ish right now. We're not there, okay? We're not going to be there until at least the end of next weekend, okay? So it's going to be a while until we get there. Cooler through the first half of the month, then we start to moderate a little bit, maybe back to normal for that third week of May, and then once we get to the fourth week, I think we go slightly above average. But that's my latest long-range projection, of course, I have out today. But we'll take this one week at a time, one day at a time, in the days ahead. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for the weekend, May 8th and 9th, 2021. Have a great Saturday and Sunday. Happy Mother's Day.